everybody. We're at a very unique location here in North Thailand. The name of the spring is Nam Phuc Drong, and we're in Chiang Mai. Now this is an incredible time of day. It's golden hour, and here we are at a natural geyser. We're currently boiling eggs naturally, so we're just waiting 7 minutes, and after 7 minutes this egg here will be boiled naturally in the sulfuric hot spring water. Very natural, lots of healing qualities, and we're just boiling it right here. And the water is incredibly hot. It's actually splashing on my feet there. And over here we get to see the actual temperature. So it's literally boiling water. In fact, it's 105 Celsius. But the main feature is actually this enormous geyser, which is shooting up about 15 to 20 meters up into the sky. Now you can see it right here. It's you can feel the heat of it, and it's actually 105 Celsius. You can see that here. So we're at the San Kapang hot springs. And it's a power spot. You can literally feel the energy of the earth and the heat. It's really, it feels like an energetic place. So there's a camping facility here, is that right? There's a camping facility here. Camping facility. It's a healing spot. Let's have a look at the tents. We've got 4 minutes for these eggs before they. We're boiling 3 eggs at the moment, and yeah, it's a beautiful time of day. The sun, you can literally see the sun setting over there. Literally, it's just setting now, and we're about to have a foot bath in this water. Yeah, so these are a bit cooler. So these foot baths are about 50 degrees Celsius with healing qualities. So we have a temperature gauge here. Temperature gauge 54 degrees, and this is the camping spot, is it? Lovely. Wow. 3 more minutes, Luke.
Water there.
3 more minutes. 3 more minutes, yeah.
You can wait.
I'm timing it, yes. I'm following your instructions here.
We can go later. Put our
we can
legs
get our stuff, yeah. So we'll get the eggs first, huh? And we can eat them while having a foot bath.
You're right.
That's wonderful. This is my first time to see a geyser. My first time in my life to see it, because Japan has a lot of natural springs, but I haven't actually seen this shooting out of the earth.
Forever.
It's incredible, isn't it?
Never stop.
It's open.
It's incredible. I think they'll be ready now. How do we? The eggs are ready. Luke, the eggs are ready. So how do we get them out?
7 minutes only.
How many did you get?
I don't know. One basket.
You got a basket of eggs. Goodness me. Look at that. So how do we get them out? Because they'll be very hot.
I don't know. Let's go.
Maybe we need to
Hot water.
get the waters, yeah.
Very good.
Very good indeed, yeah.
Yeah.
I guess the quail eggs are very small.
Yeah.
And these have healing
Because we
properties.
don't want.
These have healing properties.
Maybe some cold water.
I think that's a good idea, yeah.
Because it's easier to peel the.
It's
It's easier to peel the shell.
That's right. There's a lot of heat. There's definitely a lot of heat in this.
Yeah. If you
So,
cool it.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, fantastic experience. A lot of energy
it's
in this
not.
area.
Come on, stand there.
They got big.
Thank you for watching.